Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to install Microsoft Copilot on Windows 11 step by step. It's quick, easy, and only takes a few minutes. So let's get started. So firstly, open the Microsoft Store. Then in the search box, type Microsoft Copilot. Here you will see Microsoft Copilot. Click on it. Then click on install, and it will preparing to download. Wait for the app to download and install on your computer. Here you will see it will almost completed. Now click on yes. Here you will see downloading Copilot. It's approx 2 minutes to complete. Here you will see in the percentage also, like 10% completed, 15%. It's depending on your Wi-Fi speed. Here you will see it's almost completed. Approx 10 to 15 seconds remaining. 92%. Almost last 5 seconds remaining. It's done. Now click on open to launch Microsoft Copilot. Once it's completed, then we will launch it. Here you will see it's almost completed. Now you will see let's download the backup files, all files to run properly. Now sign in with your Microsoft account if required. If you are already signed in, you just simply ask. You can now start using Copilot on Windows 11 for AI chat, writing help, answers, and more. You can ask anything you want, and that's it. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.